happy birthday, Mommy. I appreciate what you all do, and I love you. And I wish I'll stay with you forever, and I'll give you a dessert. Shopping.
Shopping.
Come on, guys.
You gonna
Let's
shop?
go.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. What are you going?
I like this for the rest for home because I'm gonna make a candy dessert for Mommy.
Wow.
Let's make. Do we need this?
Yeah, sure.
Hey. Let's buy things. We need to buy these jellies. This for the ice cream. Well, not like that. Let's use more. Ooh, how about this?
What's that?
Let's just try it. Oh, they're so cute. Let's try them, guys. Which one to choose? Maybe I don't, not here. Oh, this might be good.
Can you show me?
Look, guys. Wait a second. I think that's not only what we need. We need something more sweet for everybody. That's so close. I'm so close. Wait, what is this? No, I don't need that. Maybe not that. So small. I cannot find that. Look, I got this, but I mean another one. Okay, we're finished.
Finish.
What is this? Which? Whoa! Oopsie. I need only one. That's cool. Yeah. I think we need one more. This. Okay, we're finished. Look, guys. Let's go. Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a dessert for Mommy. Let's add. I have this, and I have this sweets, and I have this thing too, and I have this thing too. And look guys, I have a long sweet thing. Let's show more. And this, like this one, and this sour. Yeah, and this one too. It's gummy sushi. Did you buy this before? Let's choose more. This is gum. Now I'm gonna make dessert for Mom. First, we need to add this, and let's open it, guys.
What's that?
Ooh,
What's that?
it's yogurt. Let's add. Oops. Ooh, so yummy. Wait a second. It's so mushy.
Fishy?
That's yummy. Now, we put the yogurt already. Now, we'll open the sprinkles. Need a scissor first, but don't forget to be careful. Which color one? Let's need pink first. let's open it, guys. Take off this thing first and put it here. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, and that's for adults if you can do this. Wrinkle. That's cool. Now let's stir. And after that, let's use the green one. Green powder. There. Now let's put the green powder. Oh. Oh, just a bit more. There. Wee. Which color we should choose?
Pink.
Okay, pink. Let's put it now. Now let's put, let me see, this thing. I think so. Okay, let's try. Yeah, like sweets. Let's open it, guys. Ooh, that's kind of odd. Guys, let's put one rainbow dessert. That's kind of nice. Now, we're finished. Guys, I finished my candy dessert. Now let's give it to Mommy.
Yummy. Thank
How
you.
it tastes like?
It tastes so sweet. Super sweet. Okay, I have one more. One more. Yummy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, see you on the next.